Do you feel like no matter how hard you work, you are falling further behind financially? That is not an accident. In 2026, banks are quietly changing the rules, and most people will not realize it until it is too late. Higher interest rates, stricter approvals, more fees, less access to capital. But here's the truth. The people who understand the new rules will win bigger than ever. In this video, I am going to show you what banks are changing, why it matters, and how you can use the system to your advantage instead of being crushed by it. If you want to build real wealth, stay with me. Before we start, hi, my name is Jaylen Brooks with Modern Money, and I would like to thank you for stopping by to build wealth with us. If you find value here, please help us by simply clicking the like and subscribe button. And before we start, know that one step in the right direction can change the rest of your life. Today, we will uncover how to win against the bank. In 2026, the bank has changed a lot, and you need to know what to do next in order to grow your money. Banks are not charities. They exist to manage risk and protect their profits. In 2026, banks are facing higher defaults, rising debt, and tighter regulations. So they are adjusting how they lend money. They are raising standards quietly. They are rewarding strong borrowers and punishing everyone else. If you only save cash and avoid credit, you are becoming invisible to the system. But if you understand how banks think, you can position yourself as low risk and high value. This is where most people get it wrong. You were taught to work hard, save money, and avoid debt. That advice keeps you safe, but it does not make you wealthy. Banks reward leverage, not cash. They reward structure, not hustle. They reward strategy, not emotions. The wealthy do not use their own money first. They use the bank's money to acquire assets that produce income. If you are not learning how to borrow correctly, you are playing the game on hard mode. Here's how winners play the game. They build strong personal credit and business credit. They use low-interest bank money to start or scale businesses. They invest in cash-flowing assets that pay back the loan. Instead of trading time for money, they build systems that produce income. The key is not borrowing recklessly. The key is borrowing strategically. When done correctly, the bank takes the risk while you control the upside. In 2026, banks care about a few main things. They want predictable income. They want clean credit profiles. They want low utilization and strong payment history. They are watching how you manage debt, not whether you have debt. If you understand this, you can qualify for funding even when others are denied. This is how you stay ahead while everyone else is confused. To win under the new rules, you need to think like a bank. Build credit before you need it. Separate personal and business finances. Use leverage to create income, not liabilities. Stop asking how to survive. Start asking how to position yourself for opportunity. This is how wealth is built quietly while others complain loudly. If this video made you think differently about money, subscribe to Modern Money. We drop weekly videos on credit, business, income, and wealth building, so you can stop guessing and start moving with confidence. And comment below, what's the one thing about money no one ever explained to you? Thank you for stopping by today. If you want more content on building wealth, investing smart, and using modern money strategies, please drop a message. This is not fear, this is preparation. The economy is changing, and your money habits must change with it. If you want to understand finance, credit, business, and how to protect your future in times like this, comment below money. Stay informed, stay strategic, stay ahead. This is Modern Money with Jaylen Brooks. Please remember, one moment of effort becomes a lifetime of change.